Ladies and gentlemen, the greatest commercial roof cleaner of all time is in our presence. Unfortunately, because this man is so famous across the world, he cannot show his face. However, I'm humbled to tell you that I don't just have the greatest commercial roof cleaning roofer in the world, I also possess the #2 and #3 ranked globally commercial roof cleaners. Call that lucky. Call it lucky. Folks, we're gonna wrap this up today. I have got to get going. I've got to go run one leak over in Stafford area, and we got the old Texans playing today, so I've been waiting 30 years for the Lions or the Texans to win a championship, and woo, wow. I don't know the last time Lions and the Texans have been in the playoffs, but today's a really special day for me. So championship football, the 3 greatest commercial roof cleaners in the world. Life is good, man. I hope yours is too. Take care.